Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna be installing something that I had for a little while. It's a Nrg quick release setup. Alright, so first I'm gonna disconnect the battery and then I'm gonna get to removing the steering wheel. Alright, so from this point you probably saw in my last video where I changed out my indicator switch because my fog light switch wasn't working. It would not turn on the fog lights when I turned it on, so I just replaced the whole thing. So now I'm gonna be installing the Nrg quick release hub and quick release and steering wheel and everything. So here we go. So here I have the Nrg steering wheel. Went with a red one with black leather, kind of matches the interior of the car. So that's the steering wheel. And I also have the quick release. And yes, it's the Nrg, the 2.0. So I should have the ding. And I also have the quick release hub adapter. So this is the part you need if you have a Hyundai Genesis. It's a SRK 165H. So yeah, here we go. I'm gonna start with the install now. So to get to this point, as I said, if you watched my previous video, then you will know how to get to this point right here. I'll leave a link up above if you haven't seen it yet, so it will get you to this point. So when you get here, this is where you'd want to put in your hub adapter. Just remember, when you're putting it in, you want to have the dot facing up. So the white dot, you want it facing straight up, so that when you put in your steering wheel, it'll be straight. Oof, sorry about the lighting there. So white dot here, you want it to be facing straight up, so that steering wheel will be straight when you put it in. Before you take your wheel off, just make sure it's straight for that reason, so it's easier for you to line your wheel up. Your adapter, you would get these fuse looking things. These are resistors. You're going to be plugging it into this yellow piece right here. You're going to be plugging all of them in there. That's so that you don't have an airbag light when you hook everything back up. So I'm probably going to do that now and then continue with the horn install, the horn wire install, so that you could have horns while you use your Nrg quick release. And there you have it. That's all it is. You just plug it in there and you're good to go. Next, I'm gonna do the wires for the wire for the horn. So it's gonna be this one that you're going to be plugging into this one here. Alright, so where you plug that white wire in is where the brown and green wire, it looks like brown and green, this one, the bottom one, and that wire that's over, and that wire that's over on this side. So look for the brown and green one, and you plug it in there. Be careful with the little probe piece there, because it seems like it's very easy to break, so just be careful with that. And then you would just feed it through the back. Let me show you. So there's a gap on the top section there, so you just feed it through here, and that'll be it. And it'll be like that. So that's all you have to do down on this side. Now we're gonna move to the the hub, or sorry, not the hub, but the quick release. But before that, I'm gonna tighten down the hub adapter onto there using the factory bolt and washer, locking washer. So first, put in the washer, and then you put in the nut. And just remember, you use a 22mm socket to tighten this down. If you haven't watched the previous video, I suggest you go look at it and tighten this the rest of the way. So now we have this tightened down. This for the horn. Time to move on to the quick release. So I'm gonna open this up and see how that goes. Information booklet. Quick release hub. Comes with some stickers, some rings, I guess depending on the model of car you have. An Allen key to tighten up the Allen bolts that you have to hold it down, and then hub itself. So this will attach to the steering wheel. This attaches to the hub adapter. So I'm gonna use the bolts here and attach this, and then get back to you guys. Alright, so first I'm gonna plug these in for the horn. Alright, so that's it for that part. Now we're gonna get to attaching the other section to the steering wheel. Alright, so got everything hooked up to the quick release. So got the steering wheel hooked up. And now I'm gonna put it on and see if it dings. Here we go. Oh, no ding. No ding, but it's on. So there we go. Kind of dings. And there we have it. Install. So that's what it looks like. So I'm gonna check if the horn is working, and then I'll put everything back together. Alright, so as you can see, horn works. So guess I hooked it up properly. I'm gonna finish up buttoning up everything, and then that'll be it for this one. Alright, so the that's it for that. Ha! Bing! And that's it for this video. Catch you guys in the next one. Very easy install. Anyone could really do it, as long as you have a little know-how. So, see you guys. Peace. Ha!